Hello, happy morning. Today we are going to learn Ganpati Bappa. We are going to learn drawing. Very easy. I had cut one circle. Um, I had taken in 10 centimeter, okay, and then I had made the round, okay, and little bit leaving it. I had make one more circle. This will be the border, okay. Now I'm taking my white pencil. This is a glass marking, or you can take normal pencil also. So first, I'm going to use akshar, which is Om. Okay, by using Om, I'm going to show you how to draw Ganesha. See, this way, closely I will show you. Okay, this way Om you are going to draw. See, you can draw with the pencil first, and then you can go for the, okay, Om. Your Om is done. Now I'm going to create the face. Just curve line, then take this line, curve till here, this way, and close it. Eyes, just curve line and one circle, that's all. And here just join this will be your ears. Now for the hands, goes little bit slanting, then make a V like this. See, can you see the V, double line V? Okay, see my small finger is there, na? That thickness is for the hands. See, according to your circle you're going to make your Ganpati Bappa. Okay, now the hands. First I'm going to make the bangle. Okay, now two standing line, then one, just use the pencil, one, two, three, and four, and then curve the, so you will get this way the fingers. Okay, now other hand. So he is holding the flute. So after removing one hand, I'm going to remove the flute half the way, and then first I will draw the hands first. Now see, now your hand will come like this. First make the curve line of the stomach. See, okay, now the hands will little bit curve here, this way you curve. Now lines, one, two, three, and then you have to just curve the line. See, one, two, three, four, and thumb is here. Now complete the flute. Okay, this flute will be little bit outside this side. Okay, now the whole line here, I'm going to make the whole line here, few whole lines. Okay. And already he has kept the fingers on the whole line. Now the legs. See, just curve like this, bring it down, one more curve line here, bring it down. Now for this one, see, I'm going to do the dhoti ka line also first. Okay, now this curve line, get it till here. Okay, now two lines I had drawn. Now inside, one, two, three, and four, small one. This big curve, then all others will be small. This line will be go like this, and one small thing, because this leg will be in the side position. Now the dhoti done. Okay, these lines will be for the dhoti. Okay, now the, here it will come his shawl like this. Okay, this shawl will be like this. Okay, now yes, his friend, okay, and his vahan also. Okay, so make a leaf shape like this, oval or a leaf shape, then two ears like this, curve line, then N, here also N, one double line here, lines, one, two, three, and curve it. So you will get the finger, one, two, three, and curve your lines. The oval shape here, U, U, and his tabla is ready. Up and down, up and down. His tabla is ready now. Mushak Raja is giving the company to. So this way is ready. Now the outer circle which we had drawn. Okay, I'm going to draw the circle. See, now your Ganpati is ready. Now we will start coloring. Now see what I'm going to do. The skin color will be remaining. What is the paper color? Okay, other thing I'm going to color it. Okay, he's sitting wherever you want to make him sit. So I'm taking light colors. I'm going to take little bit white first, and then the yellow shade I will take it. I'm going to mix it and use it. Okay, See, while coloring, I'm just leaving the blue shades for the folding of the dhoti. So it will look nice and you will get the folds also. So this way the dhoti is ready. Okay. See, now dhoti is ready now. The legs and the body will be in the same color. So I'm going to take some fresh pink color for the okay, this flute. I'm going to add just this much. Okay, done. This way this color now the okay. I'm going to mix yellow, giving yellow, fluorescent yellow. See, uh, now I'm going to show you one more technique. See, I'm taking a color. I have taken a toothpick, back side. Now, just I will see, just keeping it and removing. So I'm going to do whole thing. Okay. See, this way the pattern is ready. Okay, I had done the pattern like this. See closely, up and down, just up and down, slanting, sleeping lines I had done here with little bit of white and colorful little bit. Now I'm taking a light sky blue and just going to highlight, seeing that little bit light is falling on his face or on his tongue, just little. This way your Ganpati is ready. Now enjoy your Ganpati making and take care. Children, please click your photo and send to me and enjoy your Ganpati Bappa.